Okay, I did this earlier, but it's so cute. I just wanted to share it with everybody. Look at that. I'm gonna feed them again, so because they hungry. So I thought I would share it. So y'all sit there and look at the camera while I get your food ready. Then I'll take y'all out. I know it. I know it. This baby food is what they eat. And because they get different as they get older, we're going to make them some up. We're going to make some up. I know y'all are noisy now. Y'all being too noisy. Y'all so noisy. I know. I'm doing my best. Trying to get it there. Trying to make it. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know. Okay, hold on. I'm going to pull this over. I take one of you at a time to feed you. Let me get it set up. I know. I know. I know. You take one of these to feed them. Just want to get it going good. And they get 3 of these apiece. All right, who's first? You first? I know it. Come on, you're so big and fat. You big fat baby. And I'll turn you around this way now because I'm right-handed. I know it. You're next. You hungry? You hungry? Come on, turn around toward me so I can see your face. Won't see that pretty face. Good. Good baby. Here's your good baby. Good baby. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Good. You ready? You ready? Good baby. It's delicious. It's good food. Good food. Good food. Good food. Come on, let's do some more. Let's do some more. Open up. There you go. Good. Go for it, boy. Go for it. Okay, you miss your mouth. Hold on. Hold on. You miss your mouth. I know. You miss your mouth. Turn back around. Hold on. You got your toenail. No, don't hold on to me either. Do a little bit more. Come on. There we go. That was delicious. All right, let's do 2 more of these. I'm going to get you in a minute. I'm going to get you in a minute. Come on, stick that old nose up there. Let me give you some food. Let me fill your butt. Yeah, I know. Let me fill your belly up. Stay right there. There you go. Now you're on the roll. Now you're on the roll. You got it around your mouth. You got it around your mouth. Just clean up your mouth. I know it. I know it. I know it. You're a good baby. You're a good baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. You got a little bit in your nose. You're going to sneeze. Hang on. Here we go. You're on a roll. You're doing it. You're doing it. Good baby. That's a good baby. That's a good baby. What you in there doing? You jumping around? You ready to eat? Come on. Let's do one more. Let's get you going. There you go. There you go. You doing the happy dance? What are you going to do? You ain't doing the happy dance. You ain't doing the happy dance. Come on. Get you a bit more. You still got a good way to go. You got 2 more. You got 2 more of these. You got 2 more. 1 more of these. There you go. Alright, I got one more. I gotta fill you up. Yeah, I got you coming too. You gonna eat? Why are you trying to climb out of there? Open your mouth. Open your mouth for dinner. Open your mouth now. Don't be like that. Open up. Open sesame. Good. He's good. He's good to you. He's good. He's a pretty baby. He's so pretty. Wait, don't knock over there. That's your siblings. Here we go. Rocking and a rolling. Rocking and a rolling. Gotta take a break. Gotta get some air. Your stomach getting big. You get the big belly. You get the big belly. Oh, you get the big belly. Come on, a little bit more. Gotta get some more in your mouth. Yeah, you gotta get some more. You're getting it all over the place. A little bit more. A little more. A little more lunch. A little more. Look at your stomach. You gonna show the peoples? You gonna show the peoples your stomach? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, you're good, baby. Yeah, you're good, baby, there. You eating good. You getting your big belly. Want some on this side? Want some on this side? Good boy. Girl, or whatever you are. Good baby. How about that? Good baby. Let's settle for the baby. You got a little bit more. You got a little bit more thick. Can you do that? Can you do that? I know that's how much you're supposed to have. That'll make your siblings from. Open your mouth. Open your mouth to be good now. You be good. You lean back too far. Turn back around, because you know I'm right-handed. Uh-oh, got a little bit on you. Got a little bit on your chin. Let's see. There you go. Clean off your bleach. Clean off your beak. Look at that big belly. Look at that belly. Good catches. Look at that belly. Look at that belly. Look at that. Want a little bit more? There you go. There you go. You did a good. You did a happy plate. You did a happy plate. Show the float your belly. Show the float your belly. See, look at that belly. I did a happy belly. You did a happy belly. You did a happy belly. I know it. Yeah, I know it. I know you ain't got your feet yet. You gonna get your feet soon. You'll be all over the place. You gonna be climbing everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna put you back and fix you. I gotta fix your sibling some. I'm gonna put you back in there. Hold on, mister. I know you're hungry. Let me fix it. You gotta fix it. You got a little too thick. Yeah, too thick. Had to add a little water. It got a little too thick. Had to add a little warm water. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's get you going. Let's get you going. I know. Then I'll put y'all back in there. Y'all can sleep. You get some good sleep. Turn this way right here, too. See, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Good. See, it's food. Let it run out the side of your mouth. You stop being so mean. You stop being so mean. You just stop it. Okay? You got it running everywhere. You got it all over your face. There we go. Good. All right. Hold your mouth open. Hold your mouth open, pretty baby. Don't act like that. Don't act like that. You gotta eat lunch. You gotta eat lunch. You gotta have some lunch. Please, don't be stubborn. Don't be so stubborn. You gotta eat. Don't be so stubborn. I'm gonna give it to you. You don't like me, give it to you. See? Look. She is lunch, pretty baby. Get lunch. It's good. Here we go. You got one more. But one more, you have a happy belly too. One more, you have a big happy belly too. You go back to sleep. Okay. Uh-oh, you don't fall over. Come on. Gotta take a break. Gotta take a break. Come on. A little bit more. Swallow. Swallow. Gotta take something, gotta get some air. Come on. Come on, pretty baby. You got a little bit more. You got this much. And you can go back to eat. I know. Got it all over you. Hold on. You got it all over you. Don't want you to be dirty bird. Don't want you to be a dirty bird. Don't want you to be dirty bird. Here we go. Everybody's ate. Won't they hate to the camera? Won't they hate to the camera too? They hate camera. Yeah, I got dirty. I was being a butt. I was being a butt, but I got a big full belly. Big full belly right there. See? I like to be catched. Alright, come on, I'll put you back up. Let the paper towel go. Alright, there we go. Alright. Alrighty. Bye.